Hi, my name is Niharika Soni and I'm back with another vlog where I finally move into my new room. Do a room tour, a mini hostel tour, and tell you a lot about the craft cluster that I went to because it was one of the most interesting experiences I've had here at NIFT. And I also show you the reality of our goofy hostel life. But before we do anything else, go subscribe. And if you like the video, you know what to do. I'm not gonna say it again. Actually, screw it. I will say it again. Like, subscribe, share, and comment on what you want to watch next.
Haley's helping. No, she's not. No, this is help only. You can put this in your vlog.
Yes, Finally moved into my room. I haven't done much. I just put up my basic stuff. This is the balcony, which you'll probably be able to see better in the morning, but I'll still show you right now. It's a small courtyard, kind of pretty. And that's Haley's room. I can say hi to her anytime. So the amma just came to take my attendance. Every night, one of the ammas, they take our attendance. Honestly, kafi jagah. Like for one person, if you can see me in the reflection. My previous room was super small. So this is a huge upgrade. Like I have my own balcony, I can sit comfortably and I can walk. This is rare, okay? Being able to walk in your own room. In case you guys are interested, I'm studying the technique of École basically because we're supposed to research for our craft cluster. So that's the process. You do secondary research first, which is basically reading existing literature on the subject. Weird. I wasn't planning to explain this, but okay. And then you do primary research. So we're gonna go there and live in Pochampalli for 5 days. And yeah, I was just doing that right now. And then I thought that since my room's so clean, I'll just show it to you. It's more my vibe. Look. Pretty. I have to do so much with this room. So we're gonna cook today because our mess isn't functional. Yes. And we're not exactly gonna cook. I mean, this is like a ready-to-eat ID fresh something beej paratha that we're gonna have with this paneer we ordered, but it still counts as cooking, I think. So this is kind of our first time cooking. Not exactly the first time. We don't count the last time. You make paratha, right? Like garam paratha. So somebody asked me in the comments if you have to dress up every day in NIFT. No, bro, half the time we're in pajamas. I mean, not me. I usually dress up more than other people dress up here. But that's me, like, it's perfectly fine to like wear pajamas almost every day. A lot of people do that actually. And you'll see like all kinds of people wearing whatever they want. So it's okay. It's pretty chill. So this week is like craft cluster week, which is basically we go to local villages to learn their crafts and then document it. Could you guys make any more noise? But it's okay. So we basically Gauri! Yes. So we basically go to villages to like learn their craft and then document it. And I think for KD and FD people we actually have to make it later, not right now but later. And CRD, it's called CRD, Craft Research and Development. I'm going to Pochampalli because you must have heard of Pochampalli silk sari. So Ikat, Pochampalli Ikat basically. And it seems pretty cool. We get to stay there and per day. Oh my god. We love you. Please subscribe. In case you want a glimpse of the hostel, like I'll just show you how it is. So that's the washroom there. I'll just show it to you. That's the staircase that connects us to the other hostel. There are 3 hostels in NIFT, like at least in Hyderabad. The washrooms are pretty decent, honestly. They're not bad. I don't know why I'm showing you guys washrooms, but okay. Yep. Okay. So the washrooms aren't bad, honestly. That's the shower place. And you have a geyser too, so that you get hot water. That's another washroom. That's another part of the hostel. This is the courtyard. This is just the senior hostel, like one part of the senior hostel. These are all the rooms and that's the courtyard. That's my balcony there. Yep. And yeah, because it's really clean. It is usually clean too, but then sometimes it's like, because it's raining, you can see like there's water everywhere. Right now it's clean, but this is like a glimpse of the senior hostel. Senior hostel is basically for third year people or people in the second year. New hostel is pretty different. This is like, it's pretty big honestly. Like it's kind of like a maze. Like I've gotten lost here so many times. I've had so much trouble trying to like navigate to my own room because I'm not used to the senior hostel. I'm used to like the junior hostel, which is it's much smaller than like the senior hostel, so it's easier to like find places to go to. But here it's a different story. I will show you the campus tomorrow. Hopefully I'll try to put shots for campus. Honestly, the hostel is nothing fancy. It's a hostel. You shouldn't expect a 5-star place or something unless you're going to some very 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 rich college. So yeah, and I mean you have the basics here, so it works. And you guys will be like, whoever comes, जो नए लोग आएंगे वो तो I think they'll live in the new hostel only. For now, you guys might have to share the room because they have too many people coming in, and इतनी जगह है नहीं यहाँ तो they'll try to fit you into the rooms. But it's only for a few months. Like थोड़े time के बाद you get your own space and then you can like settle however you want. Let me know if you want to watch something else. So I don't know if the frame is right honestly, but it's okay. So I thought that while we're at it, I'll tell you a little about the craft cluster. So in the third year, basically, I'll make it very quick. In the third year, basically, कोई भी village में जाते हैं, and that village is basically known for some craft or the other. For example, this time we're going to Pochampalli. Pochampalli में silk saris. The ikat saris are very famous, so they want us to go there and learn the craft. They want us to talk to people, understand their culture, ethnographic research they call it. And basically you go to a certain place, you learn about the place and the craft, and then you have to document everything. हमें basically एक professional research document बनाना है, and उसका like we also have to shoot a film kind of thing, like a documentary, a proper documentary. And this is sponsored by NIFT actually. It's not entirely. हमें अभी I think 500 per day per student मिलेगा, and that's okay. I mean half the cost would be covered in that. I will try to record everything there क्योंकि it's my first time going to a village in the south. I've been to a lot of villages in Himachal because I really like to see the local life, but here I've never been to like a local place. So it's gonna be a new experience. Let's see. We have to document everything, and later on we also have to make the product. That's kind of interesting. I don't know what's gonna happen honestly, because when you go with college you can't expect too much. It's been insane setting up the entire room and carrying everything, because Hyderabad mein, those of you who live here, बहुत बारिश हो रही है, बहुत, and it's insane. Like I haven't been able to go to class properly. I don't have a raincoat or an umbrella. I don't know where half my stuff is because I haven't entirely unpacked. Right now I'm just gonna go study and then sleep, and I'm gonna try workout tomorrow, you know, get back into a routine which was never there in the first place. But once I put my workout routine out there, the fact, like, if I tell you guys that I am gonna start working out, then because it's out there, I have to do it, and I won't be able to, you know, procrastinate. I can't be lazy then. So that's the only reason that I'm saying this on camera, that I am going to work out.
I feel like a kid. What the fuck are you doing? Why is that? Stop recording me. I'm making it pretty for yours.
Yay!
Yes. ऐसे ही करता है यार, बहुत हार्ड है। और वो फोन तो देखेगी नहीं।